Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take a look at my patriotic decor. This is the week before 4th of July. Thought I'd give you guys a little look at my simple patriotic decor. There's a welcome flag, and over here we have some American flags from Lowe's that are just in the ground. This is a solar light. These are glass globes with a solar panel from Aldi. And I'll get some footage of these at night for you at the end of the video. And over here we have the big American flag on the flagpole. And here's a picture of my front door. I have a wreath with one of those wreath scarves on it with one side is stars, one side is stripes. And here's a look at the front door containers. These are filling in nicely. We've got the creeping Jenny spilling over the side, the caladiums, the begonias. These caladiums are really looking nice and full. There you can see the begonias are happy with the asparagus fern in the back. And then over here is the other container. The caladium isn't as big in this container. It was that way when I bought it, but that's okay. I still like how the begonias look here, and the creeping Jenny is just about touching the ground here, so that one is really happy in its space. I really like decorating with red, white, and blue for the holiday, especially since we have an annual party, but I do prefer pinks and purples in the garden, so that's one thing I always struggle with these front door containers is, do I do them in red, white, and blue, or do I do what I like for the rest of the summer, which would be more pinks, purples, whites, and that kind of thing. So I don't know. I just figure the patriotic decor is only up for, you know, maybe a couple weeks in the summer, and the rest of the summer I can enjoy the pinks, even if it kind of clashes. And here's a look down the other way of those solar lights and the flags. And then here is a burlap bunting I have in the back. This is in the backyard on the patio, and it's nice. It's pretty weatherproof, you know, where it'll dry off. If it does get wet, it'll dry pretty quickly. And then also I wanted to talk about these solar lights that are on our fence. We have them all the way up to the top there. And these are solar, and they are changeable in color. We do keep them on a warm white normally, but for holidays like Halloween or Christmas or 4th of July, we do change them. I'm going to put a clip of these at night at the end of the video so you can see what they look like at nighttime. And here's a view from my backyard of where we can see the 4th of July fireworks. We're lucky enough to be able to see fireworks at our nearby park from our backyard, and they cut down some trees about 5 or 6 years ago in the neighborhood, so now we're able to see the fireworks from our yard. So it's nice, we have a party every year so we can watch them. And then here is my dining table. I have this runner going down the middle with these lanterns that are battery operated. I really like the firework details. Since everyone's over here to see the fireworks, I really like decorating with anything that has fireworks on it. This table runner is blue and white. It's sort of that ECAT print, and I thought the blue looked nice, you know, for the summertime in the garden, but also it would go well with the red, white, and blue theme. And one thing I liked about this is it actually has a hole for the umbrella with a zipper where you can put it around the umbrella and zip it closed. So this also helps keep it in position in case there's a windy day or something. It won't blow off the table completely. It'll probably blow it, you know, away a little bit, but at least it'll stay put on the table and not blow away. And this is another burlap garden flag that I got from Amazon. I thought this was really cute for the garden. It is sort of like an American flag look, but it's with flowers, with this blue, sort of an orangey red and a yellow flower. It's not quite red, white, and blue, you know, that you think of traditionally, but I still thought it was cute for a garden flag. And then also I have these little pieces that help keep the flag steady on the flagpole. You can see it's clipped on right there. So when the wind blows, it doesn't, you know, get your flag all out of whack. And here's a nighttime view of the solar lights. They're really beautiful. They're glass. They're red, white, and blue, and those were from Aldi. This is their 3rd season. They're still doing pretty well. And here's a view of the solar lights on the fence. Red, white, and blue theme. So that's pretty fun to be able to change the colors. These have a little button. Probably can't see it there, but you just click the button to change the color of the light. And we've done red and green for Christmas, and orange and purple for Halloween. And this is, I think, their 4th season. And these things have been done really well. They still come on every night. I think if there's less sun, you know, in the winter time, they don't last all night, but overall I've been pretty happy with them. Alright, well, that was my patriotic decor for the garden and the outside. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. It really helps me out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.